In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with Excel and become more confident using it in no time. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First things first, let's open Microsoft Excel. When you launch the program, you'll see a few options. You can open a new blank workbook, choose a template, or open a recent file. For this tutorial, we'll start with a blank workbook. Now that we're in Excel, let's take a quick tour of the interface. The Quick Access toolbar. Located in the upper left corner, this allows you to quickly access common commands like save, undo, and redo. The ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. The worksheet area. This is where you'll do all your work. It's made up of rows and columns, creating cells where you can enter data. Let's start by entering some data. Click on a cell and start typing. Each cell can contain text, numbers, or formulas. Now let's talk about formatting. Formatting helps make your data easier to read and more visually appealing. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment of the text in your cells by using the tools in the Home tab. To bold or italicize text, highlight the text you want to format and click the bold or italic button in the ribbon. To change cell color, select the cell, click on the Fill Color button in the ribbon, and choose a color. Next, let's add some simple calculations. Excel is powerful because it can do the math for you. For example, let's say you want to add up a column of numbers. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear. Type equals sum, then highlight the cells you want to add and press Enter. Excel will calculate the sum for you. Formulas are what make Excel so powerful. You can use them to perform all kinds of calculations, from simple addition to complex statistical analysis. Some common formulas include sum, average, count numbers, min, and max. Excel also makes it easy to visualize your data with charts. To create a chart, first highlight the data you want to include. Then go to the Insert tab and choose the type of chart you want to create. Excel has a huge selection of different charts, including columns, lines, pies, bars, and more. To customize your chart, use the chart tools that appear when you select the chart. You can change the chart style, add titles, and adjust the design to fit your needs. Don't forget to save your work. Click on File, then Save As, and choose a location on your computer. Give your file a name and click Save. It's a good idea to save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes. And that's it. You've just completed your first Excel spreadsheet. With these basic skills, you're well on your way to mastering Excel and using it to organize, analyze, and present your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.